I have visited this exhibition curated by Rakesh Kumar Maurya. He inspired the artists to give their best expression for sound and nature. We all are connected with nature and we feel good about it when we look at such paintings. It gives us, it relates to the environment also. Thanks a lot for Rakesh Maurya to invite me as guest of honor to this outstanding exhibition done by talented artists. Thanks. Paintings बहुत अच्छी हैं जो अभी कश्मीर से रिलेटेड दिखाई हैं, इसमें डेप्थ बहुत अच्छी है, तो आप पेंटिंग देखते हुए महसूस कर रहे हैं कि यू आर अमिडिस्ट हिल एरिया, as if you are already there, and then the feeling is coming. That is very good.
Thank you, ma'am.